Hi there, my name's Paul. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today behind me I have got the Ford Transit Connect Limited Edition L2 in magnetic grey. Going to take you on a quick walk around this vehicle, show you some of the features that these great vans have got that can benefit you and your business. So let's have a look around. Okay, so this is the Ford Transit Connect L2 long wheelbase in magnetic grey. Now, first thing I'm going to say with this vehicle, it's a new pre-registered vehicle, so with that you're going to get the full manufacturer's warranty from the date that the vehicle was first registered. Aside from that, as you would imagine with any new vehicle, bodywork is pristine, in absolutely lovely condition. You've got the incredibly popular magnetic grey colour here, as you can see there. Very nice finish. We protect that finish against any negative effects by applying a Gardex triple layer treatment. That helps to protect against any effects from UV, from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, anything that's going to cause premature aging, deterioration or dimming to that lovely finish. Now, just as we are walking around limited edition vehicles, so lots of extras there for you. Starting off, we've got the fog lights there, so added visibility if you're driving in diminished visibility conditions. LED daytime running lights. We've also got those lovely Ford alloy wheels, colour-coded trims as well, as you can see there. Just looking at your mirrors, they are power fold mirrors as well, so it's a nice little feature of having the limited edition. As we get to the back of the vehicle, you've also got parking sensors, as you can see there on the rear bumper. Just as we get to the off side of the vehicle, I'm going to point out your diesel and AdBlue filler caps are just there above the near side rear wheel. And then coming down the off side of the vehicle, just so you can see how nice and great condition everything is all the way around. So let's have a look inside. Okay, so moving into the back storage area of the vehicle, dimensions across the width, you've got 122 centimetres, 123 from the floor to the bottom of the ribs on the ceiling, and then all the way along the floor from the bulkhead to the back, you've got 210 centimetres of usable storage space. Inside you've also got the ultra bright LED lights there, so added visibility if you're working in low light is going to make that job nice and easy for you. With the limited editions as well, you've got the ply lining and the plastic lining on the sidewalls of the vehicle and on the flooring. That's going to give some nice protection to the vehicle. If there's anything in the back that slips or falls, it's going to make sure that that vehicle is nice and protected for you. Just moving around as well, looking in the back at the floor, lots and lots of tie down points. If you need to harness anything down for stability or safety, it's very easy to do so. Your jack and tools just in there behind that panel on the near side rear corner of the vehicle. Doors, as you can see, open out to 90 degrees. If you do want them to open out further, just going to push that button in. That's going to allow those doors to open all of the way out to 180 degrees, giving maximum access to the back area of this vehicle. So let's have a look in the cab. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side, storage in the door spaces, as you can see, electronic windows, mirrors and central locking. The mirrors, as we said, you've got that power fold feature as well. Looking at your seats, both of those seats are in great condition, nice and comfortable, lovely finishing with the upholstery. Again, no surprises because this is a new vehicle. In the centre, you've got some storage, you've got the handbrake there, cup holders for added convenience, and a USB and 12-volt charging point as well. Just moving up to the steering wheel, and I'm just going to push my foot down on the clutch there. That's going to engage the keyless ignition button there. As you can see, the vehicle starts up nice and easy first time, which is perfect. Again, no surprises though. Also no surprises, no warning lights on that dash display either, which is absolutely perfect. And delivery miles only, you can see that on the top left, 122.7 miles. That's delivery miles only and nothing more. Just moving back on the steering wheel controls, you've got media controls on the right, volume, voice controls, hands-free calling. On the left, you've got options there to adjust that display on the dash. Lots of options there for you to go through, so you can set that exactly how you wish. Cruise control, speed limiter just there as well on the steering wheel. Lower right behind the steering wheel, another feature of the limited editions is the automatic headlights. Just moving across to the gear stick, 6-speed manual gearbox. You've also got automatic stop start, heated wing mirrors. A nice little Ford feature is the heated front windscreen as well. It's really useful on cold, frosty days. Now, another feature, or a couple of features of the limited editions, you've got air conditioning included and the 3-stage heated seats as well. Above that, you've got the media system. So with that, you've got DAB radio included. You've got the ability to stream audio from any Bluetooth connected devices, you can see there. You've also got the options for hands-free calling when you have got a phone connected via Bluetooth. In there you've got lots of settings as well that you can go through. You've got the emergency assistance that operates through a connected mobile phone. And then above the dash and in front of your passenger seat, lots and lots of storage there. We've also got storage above the cab of the vehicle, as you can see there. So just one last quick look around. No surprises that everything is in lovely clean condition for you. Okay. So that is the L2 Ford Transit Connect limited edition in that lovely magnetic grey finish. Now, anything at all we can do to assist with the purchase, or if you wish to discuss jumping onto one of our fantastic finance deals, please feel free to let me know. It would be a pleasure to help you out however possible. Aside from that, if you can hit that 5-star review button for me, that would be greatly appreciated on my part. Once again, thank you very much for joining me today. Have a lovely day ahead. We'll look forward to speaking to you real soon. Bye now.